Hello, I'm Matthew McQuagge with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is brought to you by VitaFirm from Biozim Incorporated. A common trend within the late summer cattle markets is a narrowing of the Kansas-Nebraska fed steer spread as fat cattle in the south gain value relative to northern cattle. This summer, fed steers in Nebraska maintained average premiums between $7 and $10 per hundredweight to cattle in Kansas. This spread started to narrow during the past month, reaching $5.50 per hundredweight last week, and is on pace to wind up closer to $3.50 this week. This seasonal narrowing of the north-south spread occurs as show lists increase in the north, leaving packers with greater inventories around them. Looking ahead, the implied place against supply suggests even more cattle available in Nebraska in the coming months relative to year-ago levels. While Kansas does show a larger year-over-year supply as well, this follows an abnormally small year, meaning that show lists remain historically tight. Furthermore, Texas shows significant declines in place against supplies, which could lead packers reaching up into Kansas to make up some of these losses. Thus, we can reasonably expect the Kansas-Nebraska fed steer spread to reach par in the coming weeks. Turning to this week's markets, moderate fed cattle cash trade volumes were noted in the north at 245 live and 365 dressed, which is steady compared to last week. Moderate trade volumes in the south at 241 to 242 live, which is $1 to $2 firmer than the prior week. Following some midweek volatility, the live cattle complex is slated to finish around $2 firmer on the week. August live cattle are expiring near 242, while October live cattle are closing near 240. Feeders also traded around $2 higher over the course of the past week and remain well in overbought territory from a momentum standpoint. Both the September and October feeder cattle contracts closed near 364.50. The feeder cattle index maintained a stronger pattern this week and was quoted at 365.23 on Thursday. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.